Hey everyone, I wanted to give you another review of my Maverick by Mossberg 12 gauge shotgun. Awesome gun, low cost, only costs you about $189. Shoots up to 3-inch shells, and I prefer the 3-inch, but they're also pretty expensive unless you reload. That's about the only reason to reload your own shells though. It's cheaper just to buy them at the store than it is to reload it for the 2 3/4. Alright. Empty. Pretty smooth action overall. It's very handy. These guns are great. You've got a double bead sight, which helps you line up the targets. Once you figure out how to use the double beads, you can't miss. Once you line up and follow, it's great. Especially for somebody just learning, this is the best shotgun you could actually hope to give them. Let's go ahead and head out to the range and we'll check and see how she goes. But this is how it goes. If you, for hunting especially, I highly recommend one of these buttstock shell holders. I found this one online for, I think it was like $14 or $15. They're in the UK. It's called a strike system. It holds 6 shells. Most of the ones you buy here in the US are, I think they hold 5. And it just looks nice, it holds them well, and goes on with Velcro. Alright, let's see how we do. I missed. Alright, you didn't want to get hit. There. Works for me.